Welcome to our kitchen tale. Ngayon po, tayo ay magbe-bake ng chocolate chip cookies. Here's the ingredients. We need 120 grams unsalted butter, 1 and 1/2 cups chocolate chips, 1/2 cup white sugar, then 1/2 cup brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, and 1 teaspoon baking soda. Lastly, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 1 whole egg, a teaspoon of vanilla, then lastly po, 1 and 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour. Ngayon po, umpisahan na po natin. Paghaluin po muna natin yung mga dried ingredients and then set aside. Then, let's use another bowl for the wet ingredients naman po. Unahin po natin yung butter. We make sure na gagamit po tayo ng butter na soften. Upang madali po itong i-mix. And then, sunod po natin yung white and brown sugar. And then, mix po na maigi hanggang medyo matunaw po ang sugar. Then, let's add the egg and the vanilla. Ngayon po, pag medyo dissolve na yung sugar, let's add the flour in 2 to 3 portions. Kapag well mixed na po, i-add na po natin yung chocolate chips. After mixing po, it's optional kung gusto nyo po itong i-chill for 1 to 2 hours. Optional din po kung gusto nyong bilog-bilugin or shape into a ball bago ilagay sa fridge. Ngayon po, after chilling, ilalagay na po natin sa pan tray, piece by piece. Okay, ready to bake na po. I preheated the oven for about 10 minutes. We need 350 degree Fahrenheit. Cooking time po is 10 to 15 minutes. Ngayon po, pwede na ang ating cookies. Ito na po ang ating finished products, ang chocolate chip cookies. Thank you for watching. God bless!